The Honda CB 350 RS is a retro-style and scrambler motorcycle of Indian origin, officially presented to the market in February 2021. It is also known in the Asian region with the references Honda GB 350 and Honda HNS CB 350, being the RS version the most modern and premium model of this family. It is also a motorcycle that arrives to accompany other classic models that Honda currently markets, the Honda CL 300 and the beautiful CB 300R. Historically, the original Honda CB 350 model was a classic motorcycle that was manufactured in Japan between 1968 and 1973. It was characterized at that time by having a 4-stroke 2-cylinder inline 325cc engine and offered 36 horsepower, a maximum torque of 25 Newton-meters, and a 5-speed transmission. In terms of mechanics, this new motorcycle stands out for having a 348.3cc single-cylinder SOHC 4-stroke engine with a single overhead camshaft and 2 valves per cylinder. Its maximum power is 20 horsepower at 5,500 revolutions per minute, and its maximum torque is 30 Newton-meters at 3,000 revolutions per minute. This engine is air-cooled, obviously has an electronic fuel injection system, has a 5-speed transmission, complies with the Euro 5 standard. Its compression ratio is 9.5 to 1. The cylinder bore and stroke is 70 mm by 90.5 mm. Its total weight in running order is 179 kilograms. Its fuel tank capacity is 15 liters. Its average fuel consumption is 33 kilometers per liter or 128 kilometers per gallon. And finally, its maximum speed can reach 138 kilometers per hour. Talking about the sale price of this motorcycle in the world market, we can say that this model has an official retail price in its country of origin of 215,000 Indian rupees, and in Japan its sale price exceeds 605,000 Japanese yen, being on average 10% cheaper than the Honda CB 300R and 20% more expensive than the new Honda CB 300F. In this order of ideas, we can say that this model can reach other countries for a price to the public higher than 140,000 Thai baht. In Indonesia, it could exceed 90 million rupees. In China, its possible price would be around 30,000 Chinese yuan. In the Philippines, its possible price could exceed 200,000 Philippine pesos. In Malaysia, its price would be above 22,000 Malaysian ringgits. In America, its price could exceed $5,000, and for Europe, its price would be around 5,000 euros. As always, guys, it is an estimate of the price as of today, and without registration or insurance costs.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded.